just saw.
I apologize. I missed what we're talking about. What?
Liver, like eating
Liver. Yeah. Okay.
And so there was a recent halacha you meat article where they're discussing it and saying you can eat it if it's been grilled or something. I was wondering if you could kind of explain what's the halacha with that.
I apologize. It's some kind of like a noise on the background. Could you please repeat your question? I didn't get it. I get about the liver, but the second part, I didn't get it.
So it's allowed to be eaten after it's been grilled?
Liver? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. I apologize. Yes, absolutely. But the thing is that you need to clean it very well. Why? Because this liver, right? All of the blood flows from the liver. It's like a filter, right? You have a filter in your car, right? Accumulates all of the dirt or whatever filter you have, water filter. So same as liver is like all the blood is filtered through the liver, right? So it's a lot of blood, a lot of impurity from the blood, right? So but if you have this grill and you do it over the grill, you turn and it's going to drip down on the bottom of the grill. So I would suggest put some kind of tray and put this aluminum foil, maybe 2 or 3 layers, so that then you just through this aluminum foil with a lot of blood in there to the garbage, not to make the whole grill not kosher. You understand? Because if blood is going to splatter around, that's the issue. Right? You would need to kosher the grill. But of course, it's possible. Yeah. You can right. That's the only way to remove blood. Of course, there are big arteries, right? So that you have to cut with knife. So what I saw in butcher store that I go, so many arteries was actually cut out, but since he sells the whole liver, so they would cut only the piece that enters the liver. So you would have to open and cut completely these arteries out. Yes, but if you want to do it, it's up to you. But in many stores, they sell the chicken liver prepared. It's so much money. For me, it's a waste of time. And it just so you know, just to remind us, it's a kosher, but it's not healthy. It's a lot of cholesterol. So okay, so just a side note. Not everything that is kosher is recommended to eat.